Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Are you tired of slow, complicated, or limited apparel printing holding back your creative vision or business growth? What if you could churn out professional-grade custom t-shirts, hoodies, and more, faster and easier than ever before, with breathtaking quality? Well, prepare to have your expectations shattered, because the xTool Apparel Printer, their new 14-foot A3 DTF machine, isn't just a printer. It's a productivity powerhouse, and we've been putting it through its paces. First up, let's talk about pure, unadulterated speed and efficiency, because this machine is a beast. The xTool Apparel Printer is equipped with advanced third-generation dual I1600 Printheads, making it an industrial-grade DTF marvel. We're talking press-ready transfers in as little as 2 minutes. Imagine this. A3 prints in a mind-blowing 90 seconds, and A4 prints in just 48 seconds. That's up to 5 times faster than standard DTF printers, which means a monumental boost in your productivity. Think about how many more orders you can fulfill, how much faster you can turn around prototypes, or how much more time you'll have for design and marketing. And if you really want to kick things into overdrive, pair it with the optional OS1 automatic shaker oven, and you're looking at a fully automated process, printing, cutting, powdering, and curing with a single click. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a total workflow revolution, helping you scale your business without scaling your workload. Now, let's address one of the biggest pain points in DTF printing: maintenance. Many machines require constant attention, but xTool has truly innovated here with its 24/7 self-maintenance system. This isn't a gimmick. It's the Smart Cycle Maintenance System, designed to tackle common DTF challenges head-on. It uses real-time humidity and usage data to optimize cleaning, moisturizing, and white ink circulation precisely when needed. What does this mean for you? True plug-and-play use. No more constant tinkering, no more frustrating startup issues, and significantly reduced ink waste. This intelligent system actively works to extend the lifespan of your nozzles, ensuring your printer is always production-ready. It's peace of mind wrapped in cutting-edge tech, allowing you to focus on creating value, not troubleshooting. But what about the final output? Because speed and automation mean nothing without stunning quality, right? That brings us to the pro-grade HD print quality. Thanks again to those industrial-grade dual I1600 printheads and an impressive 720 by 1800 dpi resolution, your prints are going to be incredibly vibrant and detailed. xTool boasts G7 certified color accuracy, which means what you see on your screen is precisely what you get on your fabric, making it perfect for intricate graphics and ensuring your brand colors are always spot on, no matter the fabric color. Powered by precision core and variable size droplet technology, this DTF transfer printer enhances print precision and detail by up to 25%. This isn't just good quality. It's professional-grade, consistent quality that will make your products stand out and keep your customers coming back. And speaking of products, one of the most exciting aspects is the versatile printing on various fabrics. Unlike DTG, screen printing, or sublimation, which often have fabric limitations, this DTF technology is incredibly adaptable. You can print on cotton, polyester, denim, canvas, nylon, and so much more. This opens up a world of creative possibilities, letting you design everything from t-shirts and hoodies to hats and bags, without ever having to turn down an order because of fabric type. With the automated cutting, powdering, and baking, you can churn out up to 44 t-shirts or a staggering 440 hat prints in an hour. Think about the market expansion this enables for your brand. What truly impressed me is how xTool has managed to pack all this industrial-grade power into a beginner-friendly design. The 16MP AI camera automatically handles complex calibrations, and their free xTool Creative Space software, compatible with Windows and Mac OS, comes with a built-in RIP, so no need for expensive third-party software. With AI-powered design tools and a one-click mockup function, managing orders becomes incredibly straightforward, even if you're new to the game. The xTool Apparel Printer isn't just another piece of equipment. It's a strategic investment for anyone serious about custom apparel. It brings together unparalleled speed, intelligent self-maintenance, breathtaking print quality, and incredible versatility, all wrapped up in an accessible package. This isn't just about printing. It's about transforming your creative potential and scaling your business dreams. Stop dreaming about your apparel brand and start building it with confidence and efficiency. If you're ready to revolutionize your apparel production, you absolutely need to check out the xTool Apparel Printer. Find the link to learn more and grab yours in the description below, along with any